What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Aaron Sports Cards. Today I'm going to open this box of 2020 Bowman Draft. This is the jumbo box. In here we get 3 chrome prospect autographs. And there's some colored inserts and a bunch of other great stuff. Had a really good 2020 draft this year. So let's break into this and hopefully pull some really cool cards. Wish me luck. Let's see. There we go. All right. Let's get this party started. First pack. Been looking forward to this for a while. Bought this right when it first came out and just kind of been letting it marinate in the cuts for a while. And yeah, here we go. First pack. Let's go through the paper cards fairly quickly so we don't spend too much time. Garrett Crochet. Those are Asa Lacy. That's cool. Aaron Shortridge. Clayton Beater. Hernandez. Pete Crow Armstrong. That's a good one. Bryson Stott. Jackson Miller. Getting a lot of good first Bowman papers in this first pack. Jackson Rutledge. Gilberto Jimenez. Here we got some chrome cards. Alika Williams. This is a refractor, I believe. Jordan Westberg. Daniel Espino. Michael Toglia. Trent Palmer. Nico Holsizer. Owen Miller. Got this insert here of Carson Tucker. Pretty cool. Jeremiah Jackson. Alec Burleson. J.J. Bleday. Zach Daniels. Brennan Davis. Bryce. Okay, let's go through these paper ones fairly quickly here. All right. Next up. Jeter Downs. Christian Robinson. Corey Lee. Here's our chromes. Can't pronounce that. Nolan Gorman. Encarnacion. Quinn Priester. Corey Lee. Dylan Dingler. Luke Little. Bryce Bowman. Franchise favorites. Hayden Cantrell. Alex Santos. Shea Langoliers. Son. Zamora. Okay, next pack. I've noticed in other box breaks of this that the autos are usually all in the same row. Usually what I've noticed, the third row, second or third row, so we'll find out. Aaron Shortridge. Beater. Bryson Stott. Another Jackson Miller. Tiano. Nick Bitsko. Andrew Vaughn. That's pretty cool. Trey Cruz. Brett Beatty. Justin Lang. Joe Boyle. Levi Prater. This is one of those diamonds. Caraway. Zach Veen. It's pretty cool. Glimpses of Greatness. JJ Bleday. Zach Daniels. Brennan Davis. Bryce Bonin. Hunter Green. Holden Powell. Calabrese. Nolan Gorman. Levi Prater. Andrew Vaughn. And Gage Workman. All right, next pack. Looks like we got something thick in here. Cody Hosey, Josh Young. Calabrese, Isaiah Green, Seymour, Jeremiah Jackson, Carson Tucker, Christian Chamberlain, Alexander Canario. Oh, there's our first auto, Marco Raya. So I guess they're going to be in the second row. Marco Raya is our first auto. And that's a refractor number to 499. The Minnesota Twins. Not too much about him. Let's take a look. Whoops. Looks like he was drafted. Where does it say? Oh, 128th overall. Okay. All right, so next up, here we have a Heston Kjerstad insert. That's pretty cool. Hunter Green, Holden Powell, Rutschman, Tyler Brown, Ryan Rollison, Justin Lang, Jay Groom, Casey Schmidt, George Kirby, Mike Ciani. Okay. So since we know now which row the autos are in, we'll just kind of work our way down each row so we don't just knock all the autos out at once. Ooh, looks like we got some color in here. Connor Phillips. Hudson Haskin. Casey Martin. Justin Foscue. And looks like we got a Tyler Freeman Bowman paper, numbered to 250. So that's kind of cool. All right. Riley Green. Bailey. Tink Hentz. Casey Martin. Ronnie Mauricio. Kyle Nicholas. JJ Goss. Jordan Walker. I got this insert, Franchise Futures. Joe Boyle, Logan Allen, Will Klein, Alaric Soler, Matthew Dyer, Keone Cavaco, David Calabresi, Nolan Gorman, Andrew Vaughn, and Gage Workman. Okay. Next pack. Nothing thick in there, doesn't look like. Zach Veen. Here we go with our chromes. Oops. We got a Jordan Groshans, Quinn Priester, Shane Baz, Tristan Casas, Max Meyer, Hudson Haskin, Ryan Murphy. We got this sky blue of Ronaldo Hernandez. And then behind that, it looks like we got a purple of Hayden Cantrell, first Bowman, number to 150. So that's kind of cool. And then here, finishing off with the paper. Oh, there's a Kerstad. Nice. Okay. Now this pack is going to have our... Let's put these packs with the autos to the side so we can do those last. We got a Jason Dominguez paper. Joe Ryan. Blake Rutherford. Let's kind of skim through this paper real quick. Luis Gill. That's going to be a green paper. Numbered to 99. Don't know much about him. There's the guy we got the auto of, Marco Rea. Emerson Hancock, that's a good one. Refractor. He was, I think, the 4th or 5th pick. Let's take a look. Oops. 6th overall. Pitcher for Seattle. Zach Daniels, Brennan Davis, Cole Henry, Jake Groom, Nick Gonzalez, Glimpses of Greatness. Riley Green, Marco Raya again, Tanner Burns, Hans Kraus, Ed Howard, Spencer Strider, Schuster, McClanahan, and Patrick Bailey. Okay. Let me just grab the rest of these packs out of the box. Okay. All right, next pack. I've yet to see a Spencer Torkelson. Hopefully we got that coming up. shuffle through this paper real quick. Austin Hendrick, first paper. Okay, here we go into our chrome cards. Francisco Alvarez, Mark Vientos, Julio Rodriguez, Sam Weatherly. There's a Zach Veen, first Bowman. That's nice. Bowman Chrome. Brian Jensen, Alec Burleson, JJ Bleday, Franchise Futures, Kerstad, Trevor Larnack, Robert Hassel, Helio Ramos, Kyle Nicholas, JJ Goss, Ian Seymour, Jordan Groshans, Emerson Hancock, paper, Francisco Alvarez, Jordan Walker, and Shane Baz. All right. Ryan Jensen, Nick York, Perdomo, Dingler, Little. There's a Torkelson paper. It's a good sign. Canario, Hence, Michael Toglia, Trent Palmer, Julio Rodriguez, Weatherly. To the chrome, we've got Shane Baz, Dane Acker, Daxton Fulton, Colt Keith, Holden Powell, Adley Rutschman, Mike Ciani. Got another one of those blue, sky blue refractors, Daniel Cabrera, first Bowman. We got a Bobby Witt Jr. insert, Glimpses of Greatness. And our paper, another Kerstad paper. Hopefully we can get one of his chromes. Cabrera, Colt Keith, Mason Wynn, Trey Cruz, and Brett Beatty. All right, moving right along. We've got 3 packs left. Casey Martin, Mauricio, Sizer, Zach Veen, Nick Lodolo, Austin Wells, Blakely, Justin Fuskew, Tristan Casas, Max Meyer, Hans Kraus. There's a Jordan Walker refractor, Tyler Brown, Ryan Rollison, David Calabrese, Nolan Gorman, Vientos, Alika Williams, Cade Cavalli insert, and our paper. All right. So, last 2 packs containing our autos. Let's wish me luck, guys. Let's hope we get something awesome. Paper, Josh Young, Fonte, okay, here we go. Here goes our chrome. We got a Gage Workman, Tanner Burns, Andrew Vaughn, Danny Acker, – Mason Wynn. Adam Seminaris. Okay. Looks like just a base auto pitcher for the Angels. $141st pick overall. So nothing too crazy there. Here we have franchise futures. Zach Veen, Adley Rutschman, Tyler Brown, Ryan Rollison. All right, final pack. What will it be? What's going to be our final auto? Oh, buddy. It could be something big or it could be something not so big. Let's find out. Okay. Levi Prater. Criswell, Hunter Green, Casey Schmidt, George Kirby, Christian Robinson. It looks like we're going to have a speckle coming up. Tyler Freeman. And I think the speckle is going to be our auto. It looks like... Oh, nope. Clayton Peter. Our auto is going to be behind. So let's take a quick look here. Let's do the... looks like a pitcher. It's a colored. Adam Seminaris, number to 250. Okay. So, nothing too crazy in there. Jeez. Bobby Witt Jr. So yeah, here's our quick little recap of some cards I put to the side. We got this Clayton Beater speckle card. And that should be numbered to, I think, are these not numbered? Guess it's not numbered. We got the Tyler Freeman, the Heston Kjerstad first Bowman paper, Bobby Witt Jr. insert, Daniel Cabrera, Sky Blue, Spencer Torkelson paper, Emerson Hancock, Zach Veen first chrome, Austin Hendrick paper, Nick Gonzalez, Emerson Hancock refractor, Jason Dominguez, another Kjerstad paper, Renato Hernandez Sky Blue, Zach Veen paper, Heston Kjerstad, Zach Veen, one of these diamond inserts, Andrew Vaughn refractor, Jackson Miller, a couple of his, Pete Crow Armstrong first Bowman paper, and Asa Lacy paper. And then we got these color cards. I got Tyler Freeman here, number to 250, paper. Also got this insert blue parallel purple to 150 of Hayden Cantrell, drafted 151st overall. Got this Luis Gill green paper. And for our autos, Adam Seminaris base. The Marco Rea to 499 refractor. And this here. Wait a minute, did I get 2 Adam Seminaris in the same box? You gotta be kidding me. I gotta contact Topps, I think. You can't get 2 of the same pitcher in the same box. I didn't even notice that at first. That's pretty screwy. Man, you gotta be kidding me. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this rip. Nothing too crazy. A little bit bummed that I got 2 of the same guy's autograph out of your 3 autographs. That just makes no sense. Anyway, till next time, guys, take it easy and take care. Stay safe. Peace.